Welcome to the 51st lesson of SmartKnitter Knit Instructions Level 2. In this lesson, we will demonstrate how to avoid knotting yarn with tucks at the sweep. Let's look at our first example here with 3 color stripes. We can see there are tucks on the left side of the sweep. Return to SmartGraph. If we do not want to have tucks at the sweep section, we can set the option in the function line. Under NT, meaning no tucks, fill in color 1 along the sweep section to enable this option. Translate again. Now the sweep section has no tucks to knot the yarn. Another way to achieve this without changing the function line is to alter the translation settings. Untick the options, Auto Knot Striping Yarn and Auto Tuck for Vertical Float Yarn. Translate again, and you can see there is no tuck at the sweep section either. Let's look at another example with 2 color stripes. We can see many tucks on the left side at the sweep section upon translation as well. We can edit the function line to enable the NT option as shown in the previous example. Translate again after updating the function line. Remember to set the Revel Yarn Feeders properties in the Feeder Setup panel. Now there is no tuck at the sweep. Another way to achieve this without changing the function line is to set the Feeders property. Check the Revel Yarn property for Feeders 1.8. Translate again, and you can see there is no tuck at the sweep section either. Let's look at a sleeve panel example. There are also tucks at the sweep after translating the original file. We can use the function line method to remove the tucks. Or untick the Auto Tuck for Vert Float Yarn option during translation. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.